In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ChatGPT conversation. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Sharing your ChatGPT conversation can be a great way to collaborate, seek feedback, or just share something interesting you've come across. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to navigate to your ChatGPT conversation that you wish to share. It's as simple as pulling up the chat you've been having. Once you have your conversation open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There's a little icon that says Share. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a new window, and this is where the magic happens. After clicking Share, you'll notice a prompt appears that invites you to create a public link to your ChatGPT conversation. This is an important step, as this link is what you'll be sending out to others. So to proceed, find the button that says Create Link and give it a click. What happens next is pretty cool. The system will generate a unique link for your chat. This means anyone with this link can access and view the conversation, which is fantastic for sharing ideas or insights from your discussions with ChatGPT. Here's the kicker. You can even make this conversation discoverable on Google, which can be useful if you're sharing knowledge that you think others would benefit from. If you want to pursue that option, there's a checkbox. Just make sure to check it. However, if you're like me and prefer to keep things a little more private or just want to share it with a select few people, it's best to leave that box unchecked. For this tutorial, I'll be keeping it unchecked because my focus is sharing it directly with someone specific rather than making it public for everyone to find. Once you've created the link, the next step is to actually copy it. There should be an option right there for you to easily copy the link to your clipboard. Go ahead and do that. Now the link is in your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you like. For example, you can take this link and paste it into an email, a text message, or even share it on social media if you're feeling generous. The nice thing about sharing this link is that it works even for those who do not have a ChatGPT account. That's right. Even if the person you are sharing it with isn't logged in, they will still be able to access and read the conversation you had. Now that you have your link ready to go, you can share it confidently, knowing that whoever clicks on it will be able to see exactly what was discussed. It opens up great avenues for discussions, suggestions, or even just sharing fun, interesting exchanges you had while using ChatGPT. To sum things up, sharing a ChatGPT conversation is a straightforward process. All it takes is navigating to your chat, clicking on the Share option, creating the link, and then sharing that link with others. Remember, you have the option to make your chat discoverable, but it's okay to choose to keep it more private if that's your preference. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you have any questions about the process, or if there's something specific you would like to learn about ChatGPT or any other related topic, feel free to leave a comment below. And remember, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!